hot breakfast on a cold day made without a croissant in need of hydration. If you give up your debt communities and their needs when you're cooking, like the drip debt from this cold croissant, and you don't know that it's reacquisition of this debt is usually what settles it in expenses. This is what we were intending to do. Mine the egg. And make excuses for more. Since we didn't have one for breakfast, now we have to have two for lunch, and so on and so forth. And for dessert, we earned it. We fucking finally earned it. A trip to the jail because we earned it. It's gonna be gone by the time the jailer gets here, though. It's MLK Day and it's Black History Month, and you guys are gonna get it. You're all gonna get it. Blacks and everyone else. That's it. That's how they run it in Texas. Especially when the blondes have been up to something, hiding on the streets and stuff. You can double the bait on the blonde baggage.